Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to change your email on Tinder. So first, open the Tinder app on your mobile device, then tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of your screen, then go ahead and tap on the settings icon on the top right corner of your screen. Here, scroll down until you see emails. After you find email, go ahead and tap on it. And here you'll see your default email that you chose to verify your account, and write in your new email. Then after you're done, tap on send verification email. Then after you verify that it is your account, Tinder will automatically update it. Now you guys know how to update your email in Tinder. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.